Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how to make aloo kachori. It's a very simple recipe, so let's have a quick look at the ingredients. So here I have taken 5 medium-sized boiled potatoes, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, dhania patti, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 green chilies, inch of ginger. I have taken half teaspoon of ajwain, salt as per taste. I have taken 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. I have taken this 2 teaspoon of a masala, homemade masala. It is a combination of roasted jeera powder and coriander powder. Taken 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. And with that we require 2 cups of maida. And first we have to make the dough and water as per required to make the dough. So let's get started. There is one more ingredient which I forgot to mention. For that we require half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of jeera and half teaspoon of coriander. And we have to crush it, and this is the crush all these three, and this is one of the ingredients that we have to add. So now let's make the dough. So to the maida we add in the ajwain, we add in the kasuri methi leaves, crush it a bit and then add it. And now we add in salt as per taste. Now to this we are adding oil. We have added around 3 tablespoons of oil to this. So now let's mix the ingredients properly. Mix the ingredients carefully. So this is how the texture of the maida should look like. You can see through this we understand that the ingredients have been mixed properly. So now let's slowly add in water and make the dough. Add water as per required. Add little water at a time. See that our dough is almost ready. Make sure that the dough is hard enough. It should not be too soft. It should not be soft also. Make sure it's hard. And our dough is ready. So now you can see how hard it is. Now let's make the filling for this. Let us make the filling. So for the filling, in a pan we add in oil. We have taken about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now heat the oil. After the oil is heated, we add in the mixture of the masala that we have taken, fennel seeds, jeera seeds and coriander seeds. Let it pop a bit, and now to this we add in the green chili, we add in the ginger, give it a mix. Now to this we add in our potatoes. Those were boiled potatoes. Now give it a mix. Aloo kachori is generally famous in Varanasi and is famous in Jaipur. So this is one of the specialty of aloo kachori. Now we add in the garam masala. We add in amchur powder, and we add in the mixture of the masalas, that is mixture of roasted coriander powder and roasted jeera. Now mix it well. To this we will add in salt as per taste. Give it a mix, and we'll have to add in the coriander leaves. Mix it really well, and then our filling will be ready. Now our filling is ready. Now let us make the kachori. Let's see how do we have to make it. We have taken some dough out of it. We are rolling it, and now we make small balls out of it. Now let's take one ball. Let's roll it. Now let's add in filling to this. So now we have added the filling. Now we are just going to stuff it inside and make a cover the stuffing completely. And one of our kachori is ready. Give it a slight press. One kachori is ready. Similarly, we are making the other. We roll it a bit. Now to this we'll be adding in the filling, and we'll cover the filling. Make sure that you add the filling in the middle. After adding the filling, just press it inwards and just cover it to make it a ball again. Now again our ball is one more of our kachori is ready. Similarly, we make the rest of. Now we have to deep fry the kachoris. For that, make sure that the oil is not too much heated when we add the kachoris, and keep in mind that the flame should be really low. Then only the kachoris will come out to be crispy and crunchy. So we have added in the kachoris. Now you can see our kachoris are turning golden, and आप देख सकते हैं कि कचौड़ी हम लोगों का फूलना शुरू हो गया है. And you must cook it till it becomes light golden brown color. You can make it in form of samosa also. You can see how I've made it. Inside this our filling is there. So let's see how to make it in a shape of samosa also. You can see that our kachoris have got a very nice color. It has got golden brown color. You can see how yummy it looks. So now we are taking it out. Now you can see our kachoris are ready. You can see how crunchy and yummy and delicious it looks. If you want to see my samosa recipe, you can also check the Maggi samosa one. And now I'll show you how crunchy this is. So let's have a look. Did you hear that noise? It's really very crispy and yummy. You can serve it with a ketchup or any chutney. If you liked my recipe, don't forget to give it a like and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you guys for watching my video.